Rather than finding one of our household residents in the shower this morning, we found a huntsman. And no, I don't mean a hunter. I mean a huntsman spider. Yes, quintessentially Australian. Well, it's not, but it fits into the whole Australian thing because, we're all about the poisonous creatures apparently. Anyway, the huntsman spider is often found inside Australian homes because they commonly live in rock crevices and behind bark and flat areas. So they like being behind things in the house. This one was behind a towel that was hanging over the shower screen. And after the towel had been removed and we went back in to try to take it outside, we found it having its own shower in the shower. They're a fascinating little species. They're not really little as far as spiders go. They grow up to 15 centimeters, which is about 6 inches. Bigger if they're female, smaller if they're male. They're a very flat spider because of that habitat that they like. Just like most other spiders, they eat insects and arthropods and things like that. Their breeding habits are interesting. In most species, the female will actually guard her egg sac and not eat for the entire incubation period, which could be like 3 or 4 weeks, depending on the weather. When the spiderlings hatch, she actually looks after them for their first few molts. Now, quite often around the place, we find the molts of the larger ones, and they do look exactly like the spider. So when you see the old shedded skin, sometimes you think it's the actual spider. Huntsmen are handy to have around the place because, as I said, they eat insects. They're good at clearing up any insect issues. They can bite. They're not considered highly venomous. Some species more so than others. Generally, an ice pack will take care of any pain, but obviously you want to avoid it just in case. So that is the huntsman spider, and I hope you enjoyed the footage of the cleaning, which I've never seen before. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, if you'd like to see more, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time we get into it.